Welcome to this short tutorial. Today, we will show how you can get a free SSL for your WordPress site. First, open the website that you want to get a free SSL. As you can see, it's showing a not secure message. It means it needs to be authenticated. Then go to your hosting server. In our case, we are using a NameCheap server. Open the cPanel and then move SSL section. And then click on the Manage SSL link. Here, you need to select the domain that you want to install the SSL certificate. Wait a bit and click on the Install certificate. Yes, the certificate is successfully installed. Now move to your website and hard refresh it. You can see that the not secure message is not showing anymore. Also, check your website from the front end. Yes, everything looks great. So the process is that simple. We hope you have liked this short tutorial. Stay with us and follow our social channels for more.